Well, the shop is a disaster. However, the doors are on. More disaster. Even more disaster. The biggest disaster. Stuff that doesn't even have to do with this project. Oh yeah, that's the same disaster. But as long as he doesn't leave things like my ratchet, we should be good for a start. Pump it. Pump it. Stop. All right, take two. Mostly because somebody blew a vacuum port off. Oh, those doors are ugly, but they need to be cleaned and it will be fine. Oh, there he goes. Hey, his brake lights work. Isn't that amazing? And the carb needs adjustment. Not bad though. Oh, I see something coming off way in the distance.